Alright, so I promised you guys some videos, so we're gonna cold start the Craftsman. Sorry for the camera angle, it's my iPod, so it's kinda hard to set an iPod up. So, hope you enjoy. One pull. Well, I didn't lie to you, so one pull. So there's a cold start. So it's running good still. Used it a couple times on some longer grass and stuff, but it sure is a helpful lawnmower. I recommend it for now. So hope y'all enjoy. So there's a video for you. Try to get something else a cold start, you know. So we'll see. Alright guys, thanks for watching.